have our M442 Viv&Lou travel bag. Slide the tote all the way to the back of the frame of a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame. Use our custom centering jig to find center. Trace sewing area to ensure Monogram fits inside of the frame. Lay one sheet of solvay on top, and now you may begin sewing. All of the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. Our water-soluble topping is designed to enhance embroidery on the top sides of the fabric. When the sew is complete, you can remove the item from the machine. Now you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.